To install and activate Xfinity Stream on Roku, start by going to the Roku homepage and opening the streaming channels. Use the search bar to look for the Xfinity Stream app by entering Xfinity. A list will be displayed, and you should choose the Xfinity Stream channel. Install the channel by clicking on Add Channel. Once installed, open the channel and sign in. You will see an activation code on your screen. Next, open a web browser on a computer, phone, or tablet, and go to the xfinity.com/authorize website. Enter the activation code from your TV. Then log into your account by entering your Xfinity ID and password. After a success message appears, accept the conditions and terms. Name your device, and click Confirm. You will now see the main menu, and you can start using Xfinity Stream to watch your favorite shows on Roku. By following these steps, you can easily install and activate Xfinity Stream on your Roku device.